In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record screen and camera together. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your screen while keeping your face on camera, so your viewers can follow along and connect with you at the same time. First, open Loom. You can do this from the Loom Chrome extension or the desktop app. Use whichever you have installed and prefer. In Chrome, you'll typically click the Loom icon near the top right of your browser. On desktop, launch the Loom application like any other program. Give it a moment to load so the recording panel appears. If it's your first time, Loom may ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Allowing access ensures everything works smoothly. Next, choose the recording type called Screen plus Cam. This option is what lets Loom capture your screen while adding a small camera bubble with your face. It's great for tutorials, walkthroughs, or presentations where your on-screen actions matter, but you still want that personal touch. Depending on your setup, you may also see options for how much of the screen to include, like your entire display or just a single window. Stick with whatever suits your demonstration best, but keep in mind that Screen plus Cam is the essential part here. Now configure your settings to make sure your audio and video look and sound their best. Confirm the correct microphone is selected. If you're using an external mic, pick it from the drop-down. Speak a few words and watch for the audio meter to move, which is a quick sign your voice is being captured. Then choose the right camera. If you have multiple cameras, select the one that gives you the clearest image. Take a second to center yourself in the frame and check your lighting. A bright, even light in front of you helps a lot. If your camera bubble appears too dark or off-center, a small adjustment to your position or lighting can make a big difference. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Loom will display a short 3-second countdown, giving you time to settle in, take a breath, and position your cursor where you want to begin. As the countdown ends, start speaking clearly and naturally. Move through your on-screen actions at a steady pace so viewers can follow along. If you stumble, don't worry. Pause your delivery for a moment and pick up from the next clear point. That's all it takes to record your screen and camera together using Loom.